This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Can you answer how do you run a single request from the collection in Newman?
Well, single request, of course, it is simple. First of all, I create my user story, that's as a collection. And then I create the positive and negative tests as my test design, the manual and the automation test design. And then actually I export it to my local computer. And then I go to the command line, CMD from the Windows computer. I open the command prompt. Then I go to the location. So CMD space C drive and actually dir to go to the where I actually downloaded. And then I actually type dir at the CD space like the automation, Postman automation, e-commerce. And I go this location. And now it is the time to run the Newman. Before I run the Newman, I download the Node.js, install the Node.js. Then I install the Newman from the command line, which is the Newman install space G. Now, npm space install space -G -Newman. So the Newman install completed. And then finally, I run the command. Newman space run my collection name space B as the environment and the environment name. Then I run it and it showed exactly the outcome that I expected I received for my Postman collection. That's how I do it. And for this, for my computer, I need the administrative access permission to install the software. So I work with my computer has already the admin right because I actually received it in the second week of my project.